Hey guys, so have you ever thought how we can convert a list in a data frame? So this is how you do it. First, import pandas as PD. Then you don't have to do this step, but I have just created a blank data frame. Df is equal to pd dot data frame, and then I have just defined a list like this, and it will feed we will try to feed and make a data frame like this, just having numbers in first column and alphabets in second column. So what we do is df is equal to pd dot data frame. Then what what are we going to add? That is rows and the number of columns and the names of the columns. So columns is equal to numbers and alphabets. Let's go ahead and run it, and let's see. So we had this list which was having data, and then we converted it into a data frame, and this is the data frame with numbers as first columns and alphabets as second columns. If you have any question, just put it in the comment section and I will make a video about it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more doubts.